Hi everyone, Tim Reset here from eminimind.com. I wanted to go over a trade from Thursday, and I actually had the Jing running, capturing the trade live, but then it crashed on me. So I wanted to still go through the trade and show you the setup, and it's actually on the Euro 6E futures. And on the left here I have a 15-minute chart, and we have an extension drawn because we moved up so violently and so fast that instead of going from lows to highs as a traditional halfway back would be drawn, we actually drew from highs to highs. And we had a set up here at 41.77 on the 15-minute chart. So I went ahead and zoomed into the 233 tick chart, which you see on the right. So here we have the 41.77 level drawn in yellow. You'll notice that it participated at first here, nice clean bounce, but we didn't break this prior swing high. So we moved forward and we actually retested the 41.77. We got a little double bottom, at which point we broke the prior swing high right here. Upon doing that, I drew the first micro after the 15, and that was at 41.86. I put my order at 41.87. One pip rather, in front of that 50% line, and we proceeded to move upwards right to the 15-minute target and then some. So the way that you can manage this trade, entering on the first micro after the 15, I like to take half off at +4 and move my stop to -4. That brings me break even on the trade, and this allows me to take multiple trade setups and allows me to get in and get into the trade in a reduced risk manner. So from here we have a first target hit. The second target I used was 4 pips in front of highs up at 09s, and then the third target I used was 4 pips in front of the 15-minute negative 23% target, and I trailed my last portion. And the way I did that was trailing the series of micros. So we had the first micro was our entry, and I continued to trail my stop below the 61% line, this red line, all the way up until we hit our target, in which point we failed the series of micros. And so my final exit point was 42.27 on the remaining portion of the trade, and that's how I would manage the trade, going from 15-minute entry on the 233 tick chart to the negative 23% target. So entering on the micro 233 tick or a 512 tick, and then exiting using that 15-minute as the larger target. Now you can also trail the full. You can keep your stop under the full all the way up, but I prefer to trail micros all the way up and then exit as the first micro failure, because I can then get back in at the next larger 15-minute. So that was the setup from Thursday, October 27th in the afternoon. We had a nice move up in the morning, and that was really the one of the better setups of the day. So I hope that was helpful, and if you have questions, go ahead and shoot me a note or leave me a comment on the blog eminimind.com. Thanks for watching.